Natural light has a powerful impact on how a home looks and feels. Bright rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more comfortable for everyday living. In Little Rock, where homeowners enjoy a mix of sunny days and seasonal changes, maximizing natural light can significantly improve interior spaces. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through replacement windows. Modern window designs are engineered to let in more daylight while maintaining comfort and energy efficiency. Here's how replacement windows can dramatically enhance natural light throughout Little Rock living spaces. Larger glass areas bring more daylight indoors. Older windows often have bulky frames and thick sashes that limit the amount of glass in each opening. Replacement windows are designed with slimmer profiles, allowing more glass surface and less obstruction. This means more sunlight entering each room, brighter interiors throughout the day, a more open and airy atmosphere for Little Rock homes with living rooms, kitchens, or family spaces that feel dim. This upgrade makes an immediate difference. Clearer, modern glass improves light quality over time. Older window glass can become cloudy, scratched, or discolored, reducing the quality of light entering the home. New replacement windows use advanced glass technology that stays clearer and transmits light more effectively. Homeowners notice cleaner, crisper natural light, less yellowing or distortion, brighter views of outdoor spaces. This improved light quality enhances both comfort and aesthetics. Strategic window styles maximize sun exposure. Replacement windows allow homeowners to choose styles that best suit each room's lighting needs. Different window types capture light in different ways. Popular light-enhancing options include picture windows for wide, unobstructed daylight, casement windows with minimal framing, bay or bow windows that capture light from multiple angles. By selecting the right window style for each space, Little Rock homeowners can optimize sunlight throughout the home. Better placement improves light distribution. When replacing windows, homeowners have the opportunity to improve placement and proportions. Replacement projects often correct poorly sized or awkwardly positioned windows that limit daylight. Benefits include more even light distribution, reduced dark corners, improved balance across walls. Well-placed replacement windows help sunlight reach deeper into living spaces. Energy-efficient glass lets in light without overheating. A common concern is that more sunlight will increase heat indoors, especially during Little Rock's warmer months. Modern replacement windows solve this problem with energy-efficient glass. Features include low-E coatings that reflect unwanted heat, insulated glass that maintains indoor comfort, UV protection to prevent fading. Homeowners enjoy bright rooms without sacrificing temperature control or energy efficiency. 6. Reduced need for artificial lighting. With more natural light entering the home, reliance on lamps and overhead lighting decreases. This leads to lower electricity usage, reduced energy bills, more pleasant, naturally lit living spaces. Natural light also supports mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Improved indoor-outdoor connection. Replacement windows with larger glass areas enhance the visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. This makes rooms feel more expansive and connected to nature. Little Rock homeowners enjoy better views of yards and landscapes, a more open, relaxing environment, living spaces that feel less enclosed. This connection adds to the overall enjoyment of the home. Professional installation maximizes light benefits. To fully enhance natural light, replacement windows must be installed correctly. Professional installation ensures proper sizing and alignment, clean, unobstructed openings, tight seals without blocking glass area. Correct installation allows windows to perform as designed while preserving energy efficiency. A brighter home starts with the right windows. Replacement windows are one of the most effective ways to enhance natural light in Little Rock living spaces. With larger glass areas, clearer panes, smart window styles, and energy-efficient features, new windows transform how rooms look and feel. For homeowners seeking brighter interiors, improved comfort, and lasting value, replacing outdated windows is a smart investment that brings natural light and new life into every corner of the home.